p.m. on Friday night, and you can see the big flakes have started.
There's no doubt that we've had a lot of snow this season. However, something definitely stands out with this snow system over this weekend. For the first time this year and in quite a while, the National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning for the residents of Polk County. It went into effect 2 hours ago, 9 p.m. on Friday night, and will continue till 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, Saturday. According to the National Weather Service, the specific criteria that a winter storm must meet to be considered a blizzard include sustained winds of stronger than 35 miles per hour. Falling or blowing snow has to drop visibility below 1/4 of a mile, and these conditions have to last for at least 3 hours. The rare blizzard warning was issued just after 2 p.m. on Friday afternoon. Criteria was met before 5 to 10 inches of snow was expected, with local heavier amounts possible. Winds were predicted to gust as high as 50 miles per hour. Travel was also forecasted to be very difficult, with widespread blowing snow reducing visibility. Officials later updated the warning that motorists should restrict travel to emergencies only. The Wisconsin State Patrol has issued a statement for those who end up getting stranded should remain with their vehicle. This blizzard warning is only for Polk County and not neighboring Burnett County, which remains under a less severe winter weather advisory until 7 a.m. Saturday morning. Snowfall of 2 to 4 inches with wind gusts as high as 45 miles per hour were forecasted for Burnett County. Blizzard warnings are a lot more common in central and western Minnesota during the winter months, which generally have less trees and more open spaces than northwest Wisconsin.
So yes, this is the first time Polk County has had a blizzard warning in many years, and I think we can officially say that March is going out like a lion, and we'll see what April brings for us. Tomorrow's April Fools. Thank you. Talk to you all later.